Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best CreaClip is probably one of the most versatile and easy-to-use hair cutting tools available for home use, allowing you to achieve salon-quality results without the hefty price tag or inconvenient appointments. This video will provide you with an in-depth review, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in helping you achieve your desired haircut, whether it's a simple trim or a more complex style. Number 5. CreaClip Hair Cutting Tool. Introducing CreaClip, the revolutionary hair cutting tool that lets you achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. It's easy to use and perfect for bangs, layers, and split ends. With CreaClip, achieving a perfect haircut is simple. Just clip, slide, and cut. You'll be amazed at how quickly and easily you can trim your bangs and create layers. Whether you have thick, thin, straight, or curly hair, it works wonders. CreaClip is versatile enough to handle any hair type and texture. CreaClip is great for kids' haircuts, men's trims, or simply maintaining your style between salon visits. Save time and money with this convenient tool. We've got you covered. Access free instructional videos to guide you through various hairstyles. Learn to create balanced and professional-looking cuts every time. No more expensive and time-consuming salon visits. With CreaClip, you can easily manage your hair at home, saving you both time and money. What we like? It's simple to learn and use, perfect for at-home haircuts. You'll save money on salon visits. If you're looking for an easy way to trim your bangs and layers yourself, this is the perfect choice. What people say? Using the CreaClip is super easy. You brush your hair forward with your head down, getting out all tangles, and rest your chin on your chest. Then you clip the CreaClip as close to the roots as possible, check to make sure the bubble is in the middle for an even cut, and slide down stopping at your desired length. Then you can cut straight across, or vertically for a textured look. Works well cutting hair, whether short, long, thick or thin. There are so many different types of cuts you can do. Seems pretty sturdy with a sturdy clip and hinge, which is an issue if you buy knockoffs, according to reviews I've read. The level comes in handy at times. You'll get and give great haircuts and save tons of money and time over going to a salon. The blue one is much tighter, so it's good for my fine hair. 5 stars for thickness, but I'm not sure what that means, maybe tight. Anyway, my hair had about 4 inches of damage on it, and it looks and feels much better now. I've never cut my own hair before, and these tools made it so simple. Number 4. CreaClip Hair Cutting Kit. Introducing CreaClip, the innovative hair cutting tool seen on Shark Tank. It's designed for salon-quality results, but easy enough for anyone to use at home. With CreaClip, achieving perfect layers, bangs, trims, and more is simple. It's suitable for all hair types and lengths, making it perfect for the whole family. The built-in CreaClip leveler ensures perfectly even bangs. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and hello to salon-worthy results. Stop spending a fortune at the salon. CreaClip lets you achieve professional haircuts from the comfort of your own home, saving you both time and money. This kit has everything you need for a perfect haircut. It comes with high-quality shears, instructional videos, and a detailed manual to guide you through various styling techniques. CreaClip makes a fantastic gift for anyone who wants to achieve beautiful hair without the salon expense. It's durable and built to last. What we like? This kit provides salon-quality results with its precision tools. It guarantees perfectly straight bangs every time. If you want professional-looking results at home, regardless of your hair type, this is for you. What people say? The level is very helpful and the blue clip stays firmly in place. This tool made it so much easier and with much better results. I can get a professional-looking blunt or soft cut easily and quickly. This product really works. I watched a YouTube video and then also read directions and proceeded to cut my own hair. My hair came out better than it ever has at the hair salon. Number 3. CreaClip Bangs and Scissors. Introducing CreaClip, the innovative hair cutting tool that makes achieving perfect bangs and layers a breeze. It's easy to use and saves you time and money. Whether you want straight across, side swept, or any other bang style, it can help you get the look you desire. It's perfect for all types of bangs. Get salon-quality results at home in just minutes. It's a simple and affordable way to maintain your hairstyle between salon visits. Use its straight edge for precise length and the rotating level for balanced, even cuts. It helps you create the perfect hairstyle every time. Learn how to use it with our free instructional videos on YouTube. Search for CreaClip for easy-to-follow tutorials. From trimming bangs to creating layers, it empowers you to style your hair like a pro. Maintain your hairstyle easily and affordably at home. What we like. It's ideal for trimming bangs of all styles. You'll get perfect haircuts for your whole family in minutes. If you need a quick and easy way to trim your bangs, this is the one for you. What people say. For the face framing, I hold the hair at 45 degrees and cut straight down, ignoring the leveler, and doing both sides one at a time and using the guide you previously cut as you go down the haircut. It is on point every time and there's no second guessing. This size of clip is for bangs, but I watched the videos and it can be used on full-length hair. I used this smaller version to do an A-line bob. It worked just fine. Number 2. CreaClip Medium Scissors. It's designed for those with fine or thin hair. It provides a better grip and prevents slippage during haircuts. The increased number of teeth ensures a secure hold on your hair. This eliminates the need to constantly readjust it. These sharp scissors, made of high-quality stainless steel, create clean cuts and prevent split ends. Achieve professional-looking results at home. It easily adapts to your hair's thickness. Cut all your hair at once, saving you time and effort. It delivers the same precise cuts as its larger counterpart. Enjoy consistent, beautiful results every time. This innovative hair cutting tool was featured on Shark Tank. It makes cutting your own hair easy and efficient. What we like. It's specially designed for fine and thin hair. The improved grip prevents slippage. If you have fine or thin hair and want to avoid damage, this is your best option. What people say. It creates even layers. The straight one used to be only available in a 6.5-inch size. This is 8 inches and that makes all the difference. Now it grabs all the hair on the side so I can make a perfect straight line cut all at once. It is much easier to get all of my hair in it and stay in it, while I manage my own haircut. The second time, after watching a couple of YouTube videos, I even managed to incorporate some lovely layers. Number 1. CreaClip Hair Cutting Kit. Tired of expensive salon visits? CreaClip makes professional-looking haircuts easy and affordable, right from the comfort of your home. It's the perfect tool for quick trims and stylish layers. With CreaClip, achieving a perfect cut is simple. Just clip, slide, and cut, it's that easy. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can trim your bangs or create beautiful layers. Whether you're cutting kids' hair, giving your partner a trim, or maintaining your own style, it's versatile enough for the whole family. Say goodbye to those expensive salon bills. No more scheduling appointments or paying hefty salon fees. It saves you valuable time and money, allowing you to achieve salon-quality results at home. All the tools are neatly organized in one convenient case. Plus, helpful instructional videos are available to guide you through various hairstyles. Get started today. CreaClip is more than just a hair cutting kit, it's your ticket to salon-quality hair at a fraction of the cost. Try it and see the difference. What we like. Keeps all your CreaClip tools neatly organized. It's easy to use and will save you money on salon visits. If you value convenience and organization, this is the perfect addition to your CreaClip collection. What people say. This thing totally worked on my hair. I have long layers past my shoulders and after watching the video a couple times, I was able to layer and cut my own hair. Love this. The scissor is sharp and hair cutting clips are sturdy for my medium thick hair. I just use a buzzard and it turned out so nice, just like going to the salon. Sharpness is great, design is good, value of the money is good as well. Great accessories to have for home use. It's easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.